I have OPPO F7 and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open here the phone's dialer and let's start by using the secret code. So you need to use this code *06#. As you can see, the IMEI number just pops up. Tap OK to close this window. Now let me show you how to check the IMEI and serial number on this device. So let's here find and select settings, scroll down, and here you need to choose the about phone. Then from the following options, let's scroll down and choose status. Under status, you've got access to serial number and you can also read the IMEI number of this device. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.